How to fix Roblox getting stuck on joining a server. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Roblox problem when it gets stuck trying to join a server. So now let's get started. So sometimes when you open Roblox and try to join a game, the screen freezes on joining a server. So this can be due to several reasons. First of all, you need to check for your Wi-Fi connection and make sure that you're connected to a network with a good signal, and then go back to Roblox and try to join the game again. And if the problem persists, you can go to the App Store if you're using your iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're using your Android device, and then search for Roblox application. And if there is any update available, simply tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. Updates usually include bug fixes that can solve these types of problems. And if the problem continues after updating the Roblox, you can try opening a web browser first and then search for down detector. Tap on the downdetector.com website, and in the search bar in the top, simply type in Roblox and choose any of the options that is bothering you, such as server connection, gameplay, website, or something else. And this web page will allow you to check if an application's servers are working correctly. So Down Detector is basically a web page that allows you to check if an application server are working correctly. And if it does not report problems with your Roblox servers, you may need to wait a few minutes, or even hours before trying to join the game again. And that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.